What is your name?
My name is Billy.
Lily, how old are you?
I'm 7 years
Okay,
old.
now look at Lily, Tom, Billy, and Tim. All right, so how does Lily feel? She is?
Happy.
She is happy. How about for this one? How does Tom feel? He is?
Sad.
He is sad. Okay. Is Billy hungry? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, he
Yes.
he
He
is.
is.
Okay. Is Tim great? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, so how do you feel? I'm
I feel happy.
I feel happy. Okay, very good. So now there are many shapes here. Where is the circle? Circle. Okay, very good. So let's proceed for this one. How many circles do you see?
Two.
Two circles.
Two circle.
Okay, what shape is it?
Is a square.
It's a square. Can you find me where is the yellow square? Yellow square? Yellow square. This one is a yellow square, all right? Okay, what is this?
This is a triangle.
It's a triangle. Are there three triangles? Yes or no?
No.
No, they aren't. Okay, is this a purple rectangle? Yes or no?
There.
Yes, it
Is.
is. Okay, so now what letter is it? Letter
So and
sound
no.
na. Okay, so now where is your nose? Can you point out where is your nose? Your nose. Nose. Okay, good job. Now find me a one word only that starts with letter O. O, say
Orange.
orange. Okay, so now what is this?
This is a nut.
Okay, so the orange starts with letter C or letter O? Letter?
Oh.
Okay, so that's all for today, Billy. Goodbye.